In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello effectively in just 5 minutes. Trello is a versatile and user-friendly project management tool that helps keep your tasks organized and your team on track. Whether you're managing a personal to-do list or collaborating with a team, Trello makes it simple to visualize your projects. So let's dive right in. First up, we'll begin by logging into Trello. Head over to the Trello homepage and click on the Login button. It's prominently displayed at the top right corner of the screen, making it easy to find. Once you do that, Trello offers a variety of ways to sign in, but to keep things simple and convenient, let's choose the Google option. Click on it and then select your Google account if you're already logged into Gmail, or enter your credentials if you need to. After you've logged in successfully, it's time to create a new board, which is the foundation of Trello's organization system. Locate the Create button on the top ribbon of the interface and click on it. This button is your gateway to starting a new project or task that needs organizing. Once you click Create, you'll be prompted to give your board a title. It's important to pick a name that represents the project or tasks you plan to organize on this board, so take a moment to think about it and type it in. Once you've decided on your board's title, go ahead and click Create. With this step, your blank canvas is now ready for action. The next task is to set up lists within the board. Lists are columns that help you categorize your tasks, like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Whatever makes the most sense for your needs, type in the title of your first list. It could be as straightforward as Tasks or something more specific. After naming your list, confirm it by clicking Add List. Your list is now available on the board and you're ready to start populating it with cards. Cards are individual tasks or items within your list and are essential for tracking progress. To add a card, click on Add a Card within your list. You'll see a prompt to type in the card name. Make it specific to the task or item you're working on. It could be something like write a blog post or prepare meeting presentation. Once you've named your card, simply click outside the card to save it, and there you have it, a quick, efficient way to start using Trello for your project management needs. You've set up a board, created lists, and added your first card. With this foundation, you can continue organizing and managing your projects more efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.